Hey guys, what's up? This is Road to Funded Trading. It's just basically me taking you on my journey to becoming a funded trader. And currently, this phase of my journey, we are currently taking the Funded Talent Trading Challenge. And so far, it's kind of going smoothly. We're approaching our last week. We actually have a week and 3 days remaining, and we have to make 3.5% in that remaining time frame. So in these couple of days, I really have to pick it up to actually pass the challenge. Overall, we had I would say, an okay week again, like mirroring previous weeks, well, the previous 2 weeks, but we managed to get, I think, 1.8% out of the market this week. So we are showing like steady growth throughout. So let's hop into the two trades that I took this week. Okay, so as previously mentioned, where we have implemented a new system because the previous we are still trading the previous system, but it just provides us trades really slowly. It's profitable. It's what helped me to reach this stage, but I believe this system is going to take me over the edge. I don't want to say hesitated, but I was cautious to implement it. I waited till I was pretty sure there was going to be movement in the market. So I waited till Friday when NFP news was coming out, and I had my game plan on how I was going to play it out. So basically, the system is composed of two components. The first component you see at the bottom, which shows a trend indicator that has four sections. The first section is the 15-minute trend bias. The 5-minute trend bias. The 15 minutes is the second. The 1 hour is the third, and the daily is the fourth. So green basically means buy, red basically means sell. So as you can see, coming into our like trade setup, we had like strong buy bias. So I was anticipating a strong break to the upside, retracement, and then push back up because that's usually how NFP moves. So basically, this is how it played out. Like uh, we got the strong push because that's the initial like announcing of the news. Then the market like kind of retraced strongly, and then the second component comes in. As you can see, there's a yellow, like two yellow lines is basically a zone. So if it breaks above the zone in the direction bias that I have, I'll place an order in, which I did like above this candle. Uh, buy, I think, yeah, buy stop order, and the target was I was targeting 2 to 1, but actually like closed it straight out early because I thought it was gonna I thought it was still a new retracement phase of the trade. It took us in like strongly, then it started to play around, then it started to come back, and I was just like hesitating because usually like if you traded NFP before, you know it just like takes off. So I think right around when it came back up again, I think I closed out. Uh, I closed out like right here on this candle right here because I thought it was rejecting like on this area. I was seeing it was just like rejecting, and this is like where the wick stopped. So I thought it was just gonna fall back down at that point. So I ended up closing the trade out right around here. And that was the first trade. It was like profitable, but it wasn't really the profit I was looking for because if I had just like left it, you'd have seen it actually like took off in the direction bias that I had, and it would have actually given me the 2 to 1, but I closed out early. So that was the first trade. Second trade is like the reverse of the first trade because the first one is GBP USD. Now this is USD JPY. So if I was buying GBP USD, I'd be selling USD JPY. And as you can see, the trend indicator was showing me that on the 1 hour, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes, there was going to be sells, but the daily is slower to change than the lower time frame. So I just went with like the majority of the trend direction, which was the 1 hour, 15, and 5. So my bias was going to be to sell, and it was literally the mirror opposite of what happened, but it moved a bit better. So NFP like strong news announcement. Wait for the retracement to the zone. Came up like nicely back into the zone. Then back out, and I just placed the order, like the sell and the stops above the high. And I was targeting 221 again. Uh, where did I close this out? I think I closed this one out for just above. I don't think I actually got the 221. Cause I think I ended up closing out just above 1%, and the other one gave me like point 0.3 or something. I think I closed out for like 1.5 for this one. Uh, yeah, I closed out right here again because I saw it like come down, but I was paying attention to the wicks and like the area right here where it like strongly rejected. So I think when it came back to touch that area again, that's like when I closed out. Yeah, I think I closed out like right here on this candle. And basically if I had left it, I think would have it played out again. But like with NFP, you want to be like cautious because the market could actually whipsaw because it's a really strong news event that happens like once every month on the first Friday of the month. But overall, I have like confidence in the system that I'm implementing. So that was just basically the two trades that I took this week. I have to really ramp it up in the coming, well, 8 trading days that I have. Like, I really have to step it up. So, peace out. Wish you guys the best of luck in your trading journey. And if you take it any challenges, good luck. See you next week.